What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today finally I'm gonna put these wheels on. I couldn't wait. The day I got these wheels, I just wanted to put them on the next day, but had a whole bunch of stuff to take care of, but now I had the time to do it. So let's go to Global Tires and get some new rubber. All right, guys, so I'm in the GTI, so I can haul all these wheels to the shop. My brother's driving the Audi, and we're gonna head there as soon as possible. And we're here. So we're at Global Tires. Just pull up. I'm about to go and talk to one of the guys so they can start work on my changing them tires to replace it. Have the tires in the back, like I said. Can't wait to knock this out. Let's do it. One thing's cool, always cool cars here. Every time I come to this shop, it's always cool cars. Yo, what year is this?
It's
2010?
Yeah.
So 2010. Sucker lower with some nice Audi wheels. What exhaust tip is this again?
Just a muffler.
Just a muffler delete.
Some exhaust tip.
And he has the sickest interior. You already have carbon fiber steering wheel. And he has the interior that I wish I had. So he had all leather, two-tone. So this actually, you don't have to worry about collecting dirt and stuff like that. It's nice, man. And he got the same intake as I do. CTS. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, right there. Pretty much it. Yo, maybe I get a steering wheel like his. This looks so good, no lie, so damn good. I might actually go for this, but it's pretty clean. I like it. Maybe. And at least now you would know how the car would look when it's lowered. So I'm trying to get to this level just enough so it won't rub. So hopefully, but my car is gonna look like that height. All right, man, let's go ahead and get these new wheels.
Back up just a little bit. That's it. Wait, Jay. Rack 8, all the way to the back on the right side. 235, 35, 19. No, I
That's a good one. You say you don't need the bad one because there's not no ABS in there. Replace these rotors bad, man. These brake pads, they gotta go. Like, look at that already. They didn't even cover that much miles on this thing. All that brake dust. Oof. And you can tell this rotor is definitely on his way out. This little glare right here, that's the lip. So you already know this is about to see its last day. Yeah, man. So I can't wait to go ahead and replace these rotors. And the back doesn't look that bad. Yeah, man, it's gonna need some work. All right. Yo, I love it. And it's actually, if you look, it's perfect. Flushes with the panel a little bit. So when I lower it, just like, it's just gonna get inwards just a little bit more. So it's gonna look even better. So I can't wait to lower the car, but that's it, guys. That's it, boy. Nice wheels. I like how it's set up. Perfect. Ooh, look at that. And it actually shows the calipers even more. Pops it, like it makes it pop out even more. I like that. It's kind of cool. So guys, it's the next day, and looking at it again, I really love these wheels, and I love how it looks, and I can't wait for this car to be lowered. And I love how it looks with the car. Blends in so well, and it also shows the calipers a lot better. And it's gonna look even better when it's lowered. Yeah, man, I'm so happy with the results. Cannot complain. Looks good. And on that note, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace. Can't wait for this sucker to be lowered.